Welcome back. Markets inching towards that 7,800 mark on the Nifty, led by the banking space. Bank Nifty still higher by more than 1%. Keep your eye on the European futures. Most of Asia, barring Chinese markets, ended in the red. China managed to recover close to about 1.5% from day's low, but European markets could continue with the weakness. It's CAC which will take the biggest hit today. So the CAC is like the stock exchanges there are likely to reopen as normal, and right now the CAC futures are down close to about 1.7%, while the rest of the European markets, that's the FTSE as well as the DAX, are suggesting a cut of close to about 0.8%. But let's get in our technical experts. We're now joined by, Rishi Kohli of Pro Alpha Systemic Capital and Sameet Chavan of Angel Broking. Rishi, first question to you. Are you convinced about this intraday recovery that we've seen, and what should be the trading approach? Is it a sell on every rise market?
Hi, good morning everyone. So on the Nifty index, there's a strong support zone in the 7700, 7750 region due to earlier lows here over the past few months, as well as some retracement levels converging there. And the, RSI and other indicators have been in oversold territory over the last 2-3 days. Hence, view of a bounce here, which is sort of started playing out today morning. I think that is possible till around 7900, 7950. But unless 7950 gets crossed convincingly with, some other technical patterns coming in, it will still remain, from a medium-term perspective, a sell-on rallies. Short run, obviously, we will keep getting these 200-point bounces, which one can keep playing for depending on the indicators.
All right, then let's get in Samit as well. Samit, the Bank Nifty has been doing very well in the last couple of trading sessions, and you're looking to buy SPI?
Yes, definitely. If we look at the Bank Nifty's overall price movement since last 3 to 4 days, it can be seen that around 16,600, 16,700 Bank Nifty has a strong support. Since last 3 to 4 days, it's been moving around this strong support, and today it is showing a good traction. Going forward for Bank Nifty, 17,200, 17,300 would be a major hurdle on a closing basis. Once it surpasses that, it can extend its move. From this back, yes, PSU bankings have been bucking the trend since last 3 to 4 days. SBI looks good with a very good risk to reward ratio. It can be bought at current level, keeping a stop loss below 235, and we have a target of 258 for SBI.
Sameet, take us through the strategy of Lupin, where you're recommending a buy, and secondly, even your sell call in HPCL.
Lupin has seen a decent correction in last 3 weeks from the levels of 2050, 2100. However, it has now reached its multi-year trendline support region of 1750, 1740. Since last couple of days, it's been taking support around this important support level and is now moving higher. If we look at Friday's price action, we can clearly see a long-legged doji pattern formed around its important support, and this pattern has now been activated. Thus, going forward, we expect an immediate bounce at least towards 1850, 1860 over the next few sessions. And our final recommendation would be to short HPCL for a target of 702, and stop loss can be kept at 794. On last Tuesday, we witnessed a breakdown from its major support zone of 755 on a closing basis with sizable volumes. Since last 3 days, the stock has given a decent recovery from its lows of 730, 728, but we believe that 780 to 775 would act as a strong resistance. Thus, it could be a very good shorting opportunity by keeping a stop loss at 794.
All right, Samit and Rishi, thanks so much for joining in and giving us all those details. But let's get chatting then straight with Mr. Anil Swarup, the Coal Secretary.